Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Lebensgeschichten, English lernen mit Geschichte. Are you ready to learn English with a new story? Today we are going to the supermarket. Shopping for food is something we do every week. But do we know the natural English words to use? Let's meet two friends, Maria and Tom. Tom is from Germany and is learning English. Maria is his American friend. She will help him sound natural. This is a great story for A1 and A2 level learners. Let's watch and see what new words Tom learns. Are you ready? Let's begin. The story at the checkout. Tom puts food on the counter. Okay, Maria, I think that's everything. Maria, great, the party will be fun. Tom, yes, I want to pay with my, bank card. Maria, smiling. With your what? Tom, my bank card. The card from my bank. Maria whispers. Tom, that sounds a little funny to an American. Tom, funny? Why? It is a bank card. Maria, true, but native speakers don't usually say bank card. We use two different words. Tom, oh, what are they? Maria, we say credit card or debit card. Tom, credit card or debit card. What is the difference? Maria, a credit card uses the bank's money you pay later. A debit card uses your money. It comes from your account now. Tom, this one uses my money, so it is a debit card. Maria, exactly. So if you want to sound natural, just say, I'll pay with my card or I'll pay with my debit card. Tom, so bank card is not wrong, but debit card is more natural. Maria, you got it. That's the secret. After paying, they walk to the store entrance for their next shopping trip. Tom, okay, Maria, we are back. We forgot the most important thing, snacks for the movie tonight. Maria laughs. You are right. How did we forget snacks? Tom, let's go. I will get the trolley. Maria, the trolley. Tom, yes, the big metal basket with wheels, a trolley. Maria, be careful, Tom. Trolley is a very good word in the UK. Tom, oh no, not again. Maria laughs. It's okay. In American English, we have a different word. We say shopping cart. Tom, shopping cart. Okay, it looks like a small car for shopping. Maria, exactly. Or sometimes we just say cart. Let's get a cart. Tom, and what about the small one? The plastic one I can hold? Maria, that one is a basket. Do we need a cart or just a basket? Tom, we need many snacks. We need a shopping cart. Maria, good choice, let's go. They walk into the large supermarket. Tom, this supermarket is huge, so many departments. Maria, departments? What do you mean? Tom, you know, the snack department, the drink department. Maria, I see. Tom, here is another tip. We usually use department for big stores like a clothing store. For example, the shoe department. Tom, so what do you say in a supermarket? Maria, we say aisles or sections. Tom, aisles? How do you spell that? A-Y-L? Maria, good guess. It's spelled A-I-S-L-E. The S is silent. It sounds like aisle. Tom, aisle? That is a strange word. So what is an aisle? Maria, an aisle is one of these long rows. See? There are shelves on both sides. This is aisle 3. That is aisle 4. Tom, okay, an aisle is the long path for walking. Maria, exactly. You walk down the aisle. Tom, and the snacks are on the... Maria, on the shelf. Tom, shelf. Yes, I know this. One shelf is many shelves. Maria, perfect, you got it. The items sit on the shelves. Tom, okay, so we walk down the aisles to find snacks on the shelves, no departments. Maria, you're learning fast. They look for milk for Tom's coffee. Tom, Maria, I also need milk. Where is the milk department? Maria laughs. You said department again. Tom, smiles. It is a habit. Okay, where is the milk section? Maria, that's better. Milk section is good, but we have a special, more natural word. Tom, what is it? Maria, we say the dairy section. Tom, dairy? D-A-I-R-Y. Maria, yes. Dairy means all food made from milk. Tom, oh, I understand. So dairy is milk, cheese, yogurt and butter. Maria, exactly. All those things are dairy products. So if you ask an employee, where is the dairy section, they will understand immediately. Tom, dairy section, a very useful word. They walk past the fresh fruits and vegetables. Tom, look at this big sign. It says produce. Maria, yes, this is the produce section. Tom, produce. What does that mean? Is it just vegetables? Maria, that's a great question. Produce is a special supermarket word. It means both fresh fruits and fresh vegetables. Tom, so apples and bananas are produce? Maria, yes. Tom, and lettuce and tomatoes are also produce? Maria, yes, all of them together are produce. Tom, why don't they just write fruits and vegetables? Maria shrugs. Produce is just one short, easy word for all of it. It means fresh from the farm. Tom, produce. Okay, so we have the dairy section and the produce section. Tom wants to find something specific. Tom, Maria, this store is so big. I want to find cookies. How do I ask? Maria, you can look for the aisle signs, or you can ask an employee. Tom, what is the natural way to ask? Maria, you say, excuse me, where can I find Tom, excuse me, where can I find cookies? Maria, perfect. And the employee will usually give you 2 pieces of information. Tom, what information? Maria, the aisle number and the shelf position. Tom, what do you mean? Maria, they will say, cookies are in aisle 5 on the top shelf. Tom, top shelf? Maria, yes, the top shelf is high, the middle shelf is in the middle, and the bottom shelf is low near the floor. Tom, top shelf, middle shelf, bottom shelf? I understand. Maria, let's practice. Tom, where can I find soda? Tom, pretending to be an employee. Soda? Ah, it is in aisle 10, middle shelf. Maria laughs. Nice, and where can I find cereal? Tom, cereal? That is in aisle 3, top shelf. Maria, you are a natural. Tom, I am ready to work here, but I would eat all the cookies in aisle 5. Maria laughs. Me too. They look at different types of food. Tom, Maria, look, this milk is $6. This milk is $3. The $6 milk says organic. What does organic mean? Maria, organic means the food is made without artificial chemicals. The farmers use natural methods. Tom, so organic food is more natural, no pesticides. Maria, exactly. Many people think it is healthier. Tom, and more expensive. Maria nods. Yes, organic food is almost always more expensive. Tom, I will take the normal one, please. Maria, good idea. Okay, what's next? Tom, I need some corn for a salad. Look, a tin of corn. Maria, tin. Tom, that's another word. Tom laughs. Let me guess, it's British English? Maria, it is. You are learning the pattern. Tin is very common in the UK. Tom, so what do Americans say? Maria, we say can, C-A-N. Tom, a can of corn, not a tin of corn. Maria, you got it. And all food in a can is called canned food, like canned beans, canned soup, canned corn. Tom, canned food. That is easy to remember. I will get 1 can of corn. Maria, great. Now let's get my favourite food, ice cream. Tom, where is the ice cream? It must be in a cold place. Maria, yes, it's in the frozen food section. Tom, frozen food? Maria, yes. Frozen means it is kept very, very cold, like ice. Frozen pizza, frozen vegetables, frozen French fries. Tom, and frozen ice cream. Maria, exactly. My favourite frozen food. I'll take 2. Tom, they will melt before we get home. Maria laughs. Don't worry, we will eat them in the car. They see some special prices. Tom, Maria, look at this sign. Buy one, get one free. Maria, oh nice, that's a BOGO deal. Tom, a BOGO? What is a BOGO? Maria, it's a short name. It's an abbreviation, BOGO. It stands for buy one, get one. Tom, buy one, get one. BOGO. I like it. Maria, so if you buy one bag of chips, you get a second bag for free. Tom, free, so I don't pay? Maria, not exactly. You pay for one, but you get two, so it feels free. Tom, it's a trick, but I love BOGO deals. Maria, me too. Now look at these cookies. They have a discount. Tom, discount? Maria, a discount means the price is lower than the normal price. Tom, so discount means cheaper. Maria, yes. For example, a $10 shirt with a 20% discount is $8. Tom, and you can also say the cookies are on sale. Maria, perfect, Tom. Yes. On sale means a discount. These cookies are on sale for $2. Tom, I only buy things on sale. Maria laughs. You are a smart shopper. Tom, hey, these apples look good. The sign says 2 per pound. What does per pound mean? Maria, it's about weight. Pound is a unit of weight. We use it in the US. Tom, in my country, we use kilos. Maria, exactly. Many countries use kilos, kilograms. In America, we use pounds. Tom, so the price is for the weight, not for one apple. Maria, you got it. If the sign says $2 per pound and you buy 3 pounds of apples, you pay $6, Tom. Per pound. Per kilo. This is very important to know. Maria, okay, Tom. Today you learned canned food, frozen food, BOGO, discount, on sale, and per pound. Tom, my brain is full and our shopping cart is full. At the checkout again. Tom, okay, I am ready to pay. Cashier, hello, did you find everything okay today? Tom, yes, thank you. I will pay with my debit card. He smiles at Maria. Maria gives a thumbs up. Cashier, great. Insert your card. Thank you. Here is your receipt. Tom, receipt. I know this word. It looks like recipe. Maria nods. True, but they sound different and are very different. Tom, a receipt, is this paper, proof I paid. A recipe, tells you how to cook food. Maria, you are 100% correct. Tom, this receipt does not teach me how to cook cookies. Maria laughs. No, it just teaches you how much you spent on cookies. Cashier, do you need a bag for these? Tom, yes please. Maria, sometimes they ask, do you want paper or plastic? Tom, oh, they mean a paper bag or a plastic bag. Maria, yes, you can just answer, plastic please. Tom, I see. Can I also say sack? Can I have a sack? Maria, sack is an okay word, but it's a little old-fashioned. People will understand, but bag is the normal modern word in a supermarket. Tom, okay, one bag, not sack. I want to sound modern. They leave the store. Maria, so Tom, what did you learn at the supermarket today? Tom, so many words. Maria, let's review them. Tom, okay, I use a shopping cart in the US, not a trolley in the UK. I walk down the aisles, not departments. The food is on the shelves. I buy milk in the dairy section. I buy apples in the produce section. I ask, where can I find us? The answer is aisle 5, top, middle, bottom shelf. I buy canned food, US, not tin food, UK. I buy frozen food like ice cream. I love BOGO deals. Buy one, get one free. I look for a discount or things on sale. I check if the price is per pound, US, or per kilo. I pay with a credit card or debit card, not a bank card. I get a receipt, not a recipe. I put my food in a bag, not a sack. Maria, Tom, that is amazing. That is a lot of English. You sound natural. Tom, natural. I'm very, very hungry. Let's eat this frozen food before it melts. Maria laughs. Good idea. But remember, the most important thing is you learned real English today. And now it is your turn. What did you learn today? What words were new for you? Write a comment below. What do you usually buy at the supermarket? Practice your English with us. Thank you for watching. We hope this story helped you learn. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, Lebensgeschichten, Englisch lernen mit Geschichte, for more real-life English lessons.